Frankie has knocked over the laundry.
Oh, really? She went to the basement earlier. So, I'm making me a salad for lunch, for work. I like lots of fresh vegetables in it. Vegetables. You see this one right here? Oh, wait a minute. I gotta get this. My daughter just fell. I'm so sorry I did not get that on camera. I am so sorry. I promise I will push her down the steps later and film it.
I tried to step over it, but I got caught. I just wanted to say.
Oh, that would have been a good one. Today is Monday, October the 22nd. I love these little cucumbers, don't you? These are the English cucumbers. The English. Not so good. I'm loading my salad up with them. Also gonna put, look at that big salad. It's all veggies.
Girl.
What's going on over there? And what I don't take this cucumber or in my salad, I'm gonna put it in a baggie and eat it. Look at that. I'm simple and easy. That's a beautiful salad. I'm also going to put some green olives in it. I can find the green olives. Girl, you better be eating this $10 pack of turkey. I'm also going to put some turkey in it. I went to Kroger's over the weekend. Saturday morning, early morning. And I'm telling you what, look at her. Look at this. Look at that. She's so needy. Damn, that looks like the turkey breast right there that you buy in the store, doesn't it? Look at that. Looks like a turkey breast. But I'm going to put some of this. Whew, turkey don't smell too good. I'm going to put some of that in my salad for a little protein. And I'm going to take me one of those smart ones. I'll show you which one I'm taking. Olivia's making her some chicken tendas. Look at that.
Fresh out of the bag.
Fresh out of the bag. Look at that. Look at that big, nice, healthy salad. Yummies. I'm not quite done with that yet. I'm going to have a bite of turkey, too. Daisy, you want a bite of turkey? And so does Roscoe. I'm hungry. That's good turkey. One big bag of turkey. Is she getting it? Girl! Is she getting it? She's trying to steal my salad. What's going to happen here? And I think I am going to put just a little bit of onion in. I got some onion left over. You know, I don't know if it's true, but I've seen in multiple places that you're not supposed to save your onion. They said that it becomes toxic. So, I don't know. I guess we'll see. Worst comes to worst, I might have to come home early from work tonight. That wouldn't be a bad thing, now would it? I better take just a few onions. Not a whole lot. Just enough to give it a little deliciousness. Let me know in the comments below if you've heard the same thing about onions, that they're leftover onions, you're not supposed to save them because they can be, they get like a toxic effect. I don't know. Look at her! Look at her! Look at the tip of my cucumber! Now if I can remember which end it was so I can cut it off. I picked it up. No, I don't even remember which end. Probably the end that's wet. I would say. She's down there just licking the hell out. Yeah, let's see. I'd say it's that end. We better cut that off. So I can't even have a cucumber around this house. Daisy has no manners. All right, I'm going to top this off with a little bit of green olives. Did you hand me the olives? I don't know if I'm going to put tomato in it or not. Oh my God, I can't eat. I like tomato, but the tomatoes I really like for my salad are laying in Kroger's parking lot, so there. You don't even really, I should have vlogged that. You'd have seen me in action. Mad. Rare form. I dropped my tomatoes in the parking lot. My $4 pack of tomatoes. Oh my God, I was ready to kill somebody.
You almost done.
Huh?
You almost done.
I almost died.
You almost done.
Yep. My tomatoes on top and I'm gonna be done.
I want a toot toot.
What do you got?
I want a toot toot.
You want a toot toot?
No, I'm gonna clear that.
Oh, go ahead. She's about to play her clarinet. Oh, I think I just salivated. I think a piece of slobber is flying out. I don't like a whole lot of tomatoes on mine, but look there. Let me show you what else I'm taking, and then I will close this video.
Oh, look.
Look how beautiful that is. I love these. The ones with the little meatballs in them. Damn it. I hope you're not getting the dog trying to lick my counter. But I like these too. But anyway, I hope you like this video. Let me know below if she got that tomato that I just threw in my salad. So, hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Give me a thumbs up if you don't. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.